Good morning, all my dear students. In the last class of class 6, we have completed the lesson of geography, lesson number 6, agriculture, as well as lesson 1, globes and map. The last class, I have discussed all the question answers from lesson number 6, agriculture, and whatever we have learned from agriculture, the last lesson, let me give you a quick recap. So, in agriculture, as I told you, that the word agriculture derived from the Latin word ager or agri. Agriculture includes the growing of crop, vegetable, fruits, and rearing of animals. In the lesson of agriculture, we have learned the factors which influence agriculture, such as geographical factor, climate. In geographical factors, the factors are climate, edaphic factors, relief, and economic factors which influence agricultures, such as market, transportation, capital. Then we have learned about types of agriculture as well, as such as subsistence agriculture, shifting cultivation, intensive subsistence agriculture, then nomadic herding. Then we have learned about commercial agriculture, extensive. In commercial agriculture, we have learned about extensive agriculture, then plantation agriculture, mixed farming, market gardening, and many more. We have done all the fill in the blanks and question answers from the same. Now, today today we are going to start a new lesson from social class 6. The lesson is from history, and it's lesson number 3. As you can see, the name of the lesson is the Indus Valley Civilization. Now, the Indus Valley Civilization. While the lost of cities of the Indus Valley Civilization were known to the local people, they seemed to have sparked no archaeological interest. It was in the year 1856, while the country's first railway tracks were being laid, that scores of well burned bricks came to be uncovered. However, it was only until the 1920s that excavation on these sites began. This is how the remains of long forgotten sites, some of the earliest in the world, were discovered. In 1921, Sir John Marshall, director of the archaeological department, entrusted the job to two archaeologists, Dayaram Sahni and Rakhal Das Banerjee. And in 1921, Dayaram Sahni discovered the ruins of a city that flourished in Harappa in West Punjab. And in 1922, Rakhal Das Banerjee discovered the ruins of a city that flourished in Mohenjo-daro in Sindh. Both these sites are now in Pakistan. As Harappa was the first site that was excavated, it has come to be known as the Harappan Civilization. The later came to be known as the Indus Valley Civilization, since these sites were based on the banks of the Indus River. The Indus Valley Civilization belonged to the Chalcolithic age, which was an age when copper and bronze, these are the metal, were widely used to make utensils and weapons, such as in nowadays we can see lots of other metals such as steel, iron, and many more are used to make utensils and weapons. But during Chalcolithic age, which was an age when only copper and bronze were widely used to make utensils and weapons, along with the use of stones. In India, this civilization was the earliest to have developed and stand as one of the largest in the ancient world. It covers a total area of 12,50,000 square kilometer, which is very huge. The Indus Valley Civilization was bound by Sutka Gender in Baluchistan in the west, Alamgiripur in Uttar Pradesh in the west, in the east, Manda in Jammu and Kashmir in the north, and Diamabad in Maharashtra in the south. It means in the west, Baluchistan, in the east, Uttar Pradesh of India, and in the north, Jammu and Kashmir, and in the south, Maharashtra. This is the territory of the Indus Valley Civilization. Now, as you can see in the next picture, the Indus Valley Civilization 3300 BCE to 1300 BC. These are some of the ruins of Indus Valley Civilization. As you can see in the picture, these are the ruins of Indus Valley Civilization. So these are the pictures, as you can see, Indus Valley Civilization. These are the ruins of Indus Valley Civilization. Now, as you can see in the picture, major centers of the Indus Valley Civilization. The green color segment, as you can see, these are the major centers of the Indus Valley Civilization, from Balochistan to Jammu Kashmir to Uttar Pradesh, and in the southern side, as you can see, till Maharashtra. This is the extent of the Indus Valley Civilization. Now, on the basis of the earlier discoveries, it was believed that the Indus Valley Civilization was confined to the valleys of the river Indus. I am repeating the same thing. On the basis of the earlier discoveries, it was believed that the Indus Valley Civilization was confined to the valley of the river Indus and its tributaries only. But the ruins of the same civilization, when unearthed in Kalibangan in Rajasthan, Ropar in Punjab, Banwali and Rakhi Gadhi in Haryana, Alamgirpur in Uttar Pradesh, Lothal, Rangpur, Rojdi and Dholavira in Gujarat, Kotridiji, Amri, Chanchuha, Chanhudaru and Sutkagender in Pakistan, and Diamabad in Maharashtra. So these are the name of the places where the major centers of Indus Valley civilizations are. From Pakistan, Balochistan, Jammu Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh till Maharashtra. The main sources of information regarding this civilization are the archaeological remains unearthed from the various sites such as seals, statues, ornaments, potteries, and buildings like the Great Granary at Harappa and the Great Bath at Mohenjo-daro. Now, what are seals? Seals are the small, flat, rectangular, or square shaped clay tablets on which figures of human beings and animals are carved. So, I want you children to go through the map as you can see in the picture properly. Here, the major centers of the Indus Valley civilization are given. The Indus Valley civilization lasted from 3300 to 1300 BCE. The green portion, as you can see in the map, these are the major centers of the Indus Valley civilization. So today in this class we got an introduction to the Indus Valley civilization, and we have learned major centers of Indus Valley civilization, what are the major areas from where it's stretched, and in the next class we are going to learn about a lot of Indus Valley civilization. Before ending the class, I want to have one factpedia or fun fact we can say. It's about Indus Valley civilization, that the Indus Valley civilization was the largest of all the four civilizations, about 12 times bigger than the Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization in area. The Indus Valley civilization was the largest of all the four civilizations. It is bigger than, it is 12 times bigger than Egyptian and Mesopotamian civilization area. So this is the fun factpedia or fun fact we can say. So today in this class we have learnt about Indus Valley civilization, about the introduction of Indus Valley Civilization, that from it lasted from 3300 BCE till 1300 BCE. And about also we have learned about major centers of the Indus Valley Civilization, such as it stretched from Balochistan of Pakistan to Jammu Kashmir, and India. In India, it's Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. In the next class, we are going to learn about characteristics of the Indus Valley civilization, such as town planning, houses, drainage system, then streets, important sites, and many more. Till then, thank you.